Hello everyone, I just came back from Walmart and we have this antenna on clearance for $11.65 and it's a amplified antenna for 14432 amplified HDTV indoor antenna by all for one. Anyway, just want to let you know that I also have an outdoor antenna, the old kind, this kind. And this one can reach up to over 100 channels. It can, it can get over 100 channels from this antenna. Now this one says 50 mile range, and I don't know about this 3G, 4G light filter included. What the heck is that? And it supports all TVs. Of course it will. And I don't even think they broadcast 8K yet, and I don't think they haven't done the ATSC 3.0 yet. Anyway, all this are just mumbo jumbo, and the main thing is if it picks up more channel than my outdoor antenna, which is highly unlikely. Anyway, it's a good price. It's $11.65, so that's why the only reason I bought it is because of that price. And it's amplified, so I think it's a USB. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, HD antenna, include 5-foot coaxial cable, manual DC power. I don't know if the plug is USB or not, so we're gonna open it up. And I don't know why you need that filter. Anyway, here's the UPC code if you need to search it. Okay, so let's unbox this first. Let's see what's inside. Inside is an antenna. I dropped the plug. It's a flat antenna. And it comes with manual. This is the model number 14432. The coaxial cables included, and my guess was right. It's a USB powered, so I can probably plug this into my receiver. Hopefully it'll power up the antenna. That way I don't have to plug it in with a brick. That way if I turn the TV on, hopefully it'll run on the TV power too. If I turn the TV on, the antenna would turn on, so there's no need to put this one. Anyway, I'm going to try that too. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to plug this into the TV and see if it can pick up more channel than my outdoor antenna, which is over 100 channels. Anyway, it has an app too that you can use to get where to point the antenna. Anyway, you shouldn't have to. I think this is Omni. And multi-directional, yes. So it shouldn't matter. Alright, so let me plug this into the TV and see if it picks up a lot of channels or not. And here comes with a mounting screw too. I guess you can mount it here. 3 of them to mount it into the wall. Okay. So the cable for the USB is not that long. So we're gonna plug the coaxial cable first, because this is the hardest one in here to plug, I think. Alright, so I tilt the TV a little bit and I'm going to plug this in. I think this TV, I haven't looked at the TV for what, the bottom of the TV. I think it has a USB port. I'll use that first. Hopefully it has enough power to power the antenna. Alright, so I found a USB ports on this side. hopefully you'll have enough power to power up the antenna. Alright. So both the coaxial cable and the antenna's plugged in. This thing is not really that long. I'll just lean it here for, I guess I'll put it up later. Leave it here in the lower. Alright, let's start scanning. Start scan. So we only found 25 channels. Not good. But let me plug the brick into the antenna, see if it maybe it's not powering enough. So I'll be right back. Antenna, low, altitude, start scan. So it only picks up 50 channels and none of the main one, the ABC and VC, is not picking that up. Or flops. So I moved the antenna on that side there, farther away from all this electronic stuff, and it's picking up 80 channels now. I wish the cable to the power was longer so I can put it higher. Look, it's 85 now. So it's working. You said it's gotta be the location of the antenna where you're gonna put it. That's it. So it did pick it up. Except front 4 is not there. Only one channel is missing. Look at that. It's only 43%. Now it's 59 channels. And I just put the antenna up there. Here's the all for one. I won't be able to do it with, if I won't be able to put it up there because the power is too short. But when I put it up there, look at, it's already 67 channels, and it's not amplified. So this one is doing better than the all for one, which is amplified. Now, if the all for one had a longer cable that able to reach where I put that, I bet you I'll have more channels. Now it's 75, and it's only scanning channel 34 channels so far. It's already at 75. All right, so let me pause this and let's see at the end. So it picks up 84 channel, not too bad. It still doesn't get 2.1, but that's fine. I'm not using any electricity from it, so not too bad. And it looks clear. I can't really show it the outside because of the copyright stuff. So I'm gonna return this one since I have issue with this power cable. You can't really put it in the location that you want to get the best signal as possible. You turn it around and there's no stand in it where you can put on a table. It's only for wall mounting, and you can only put in one direction, and none of the wall where TV is optimal. So I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna keep using that cheaper one up there. That seems to be working good than this one, and that one doesn't need power. This one needs power. Alright, so this is the all-for-one amplified TV antenna, a 50 miler, but it works. Just that the placement doesn't really give you the most optimal position to get the best signal as possible. So that's the only reason I'm returning it. And I don't want to run extension cords, which is weird. Anyway, that's it for now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if this helped you, subscribe again. Like I said, subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Alright, goodbye. Have a nice day.